Today, engineers started the daunting task of trying to cut a piece of the Francis Scott Key Bridge with the goal of loading it onto a barge and clearing a path for boats. They're also trying to secure debris to allow divers to safely search for 4 missing workers. Alina Shirazi has the latest tonight from Maryland.
Wes Moore, Maryland's governor, is saying they're cutting up pieces of that collapsed bridge. You can see it over my left shoulder here. They're going to remove all of those pieces eventually from the water. We know it's 50 feet deep, and that's sort of the first step that they have to do to get this port up and running. But we know right now it's a race against the clock to get the port operational, and time is money. What started as a race against time for survivors is now a massive recovery project.
Unified Command are conducting planning and engineering assessments 24 hours a day. We have assets on the water enforcing safety zones 24 hours a day. We have assessments on the Dolly being conducted 24 hours a day.
Maryland's Governor Wes Moore today saying they're all hands on deck, working to cut and remove the first section of twisted steel from the bridge. The complicated extraction involves 10 tugboats, 9 barges, 8 salvage vessels, and 7 floating cranes, including one capable of lifting 1,000 tons.
The Army Corps and their partners will begin to move forward with the crane operations today. The north sections of the Key Bridge are going to be cut up and removed. This will eventually allow us to open up a temporary restricted channel that will help us to get more vessels in the water around the site of the collapse. This is not just about Maryland. This is about our nation's economy.
All that must be completed before they shift their focus to the rebuild, something that could take years and cost between $400 million to $1 billion, depending on the new bridge design. The Port of Baltimore, the nation's 11th largest port, is #1 in the United States for auto, truck, and agricultural imports and exports, in addition to handling clothing, household goods, construction materials, and produce. We looked into the numbers. The Port of Baltimore is a major economic driver for both the city and the state of Maryland. Not only does it directly support 15,000 jobs, the port was responsible for handling more than 52 million tons of cargo last year, valuing at almost $81 billion. In a statement, shipping company Ports America said it's diverting the flow of cargo to other areas until the channel into the Port of Baltimore can be safely navigated. The governors of New York and New Jersey opening up their ports for additional cargo in the meantime, hoping to ease stress on the supply chain.
We will clear the wreckage, we will move the Dolly, and we will rebuild the Francis Scott Key Bridge. We are going to do that because we are Maryland tough and we are Baltimore strong, and you can bet on that.
And President Biden approved a $60 million emergency fund request. That's something that Republican lawmakers in Congress are pushing back against, saying we shouldn't be spending our taxpayer dollars to fix this. In Baltimore, Alina Shirazi, WGN News.